Hello, my beautiful and wonderful people. I hope you guys are doing great, having fun and making sweet memories with your family and loved ones in this festive period. I am here to share with you today what a package from Motherland looks like. This package was delivered to my address by UPS. I had to pay 38 euro for custom duties. The foodstuff was actually packaged and labeled at the airport. I guess this is the new rules and regulation, when you want to export foodstuff outside of the country. So, but it's so unfortunate that I couldn't get things like stockfish and palm oil. But whichever way, as my people would say, at all, na im bad pass. So this is all I've got. And as you wash, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can always get notification each time I upload another video. Until I come your way next time, remain blessed and don't forget to take care of you because all you've got in this world is just you. Ciao.